Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the Lio and Lia Podcast. I am Lio, and I am wide awake today.
And I am Leah. Hello, everyone. I am happy to be here. Leo, why was that clock ticking so loudly? It made me nervous.
I am sorry, Leah, but that is the sound of our lives. That is the sound of time. And today, we have a very serious, very important topic.
Oh? What is it?
The topic is, don't waste your time.
Wow, that is a big topic. To waste means to use something badly. Like if you throw food in the trash, you waste food.
Exactly. And if you spend 3 hours looking at cat videos on the internet, you are wasting time.
Hey, I like cat videos. But you are right. Time is special. You cannot buy more time at the supermarket. Once it's gone, it's gone.
So today, listeners, we are going to talk about the time thieves, the things that steal our time, and we'll give you tips on how to be the boss of your own life.
Are you ready to stop wasting time? Are you ready to learn? Let's go.
So, Leah, let's start with a question for our listeners. I want you to be honest.
Yes, honesty is important.
Listeners, answer this. What did you do this morning? Did you wake up and do something active, or did you stay in bed with your phone?
Ooh, the phone. The smartphone is wonderful, but it is dangerous.
We call it the scroll. You know, you use your thumb, you go up, up, up on the screen, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, up, up, up.
It's like magic. You think, I will look for 5 minutes, but then you look at the clock and 1 hour has passed.
Where did the hour go? It disappeared. You wasted it.
Why do we do this? Why do we scroll?
I think it's because it's easy. Doing work is hard. Learning English is hard. Watching a video is easy. Our brain is lazy.
But listeners, think about the opportunity cost. That's a business word. It means if you do A, you cannot do B.
If you spend 1 hour on Instagram, you lost 1 hour of reading or walking or talking to your family.
So the first lesson is be aware of the phone.
Listeners, I have a challenge for you right now. Look at your phone settings later. Check your screen time. How many hours do you use?
Is it 2 hours? 5 hours? 10 hours?
Tell us. Say, I spend blank hours on my phone.
If you said 5 hours, that's okay. Don't feel bad. But now we know the problem.
Now, Leah, I want to talk about another way we waste time. It's not the phone. It is waiting.
Waiting? You mean waiting for the bus?
No, I mean waiting for the perfect moment.
Ah, I understand. I will start my diet on Monday. I will learn English next year.
Exactly. This is called procrastination. That's a big word. Procrastination.
Procrastination means delaying. You put things off until tomorrow.
But tomorrow never comes. If you want to do something, you must do it now.
Why do we wait?
Usually because we are afraid. We are scared we'll fail, so we wait.
But waiting is wasting. If you want to speak English, speak now. Make mistakes now.
Listeners, is there something you are waiting to do? Do you want to join a gym? Do you want to call a friend?
Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is 10 a.m. on a Tuesday. The perfect time is right now.
Say this sentence out loud. I will start today.
Very good. I feel motivated.
Okay, we talked about the phone and we talked about waiting, but Leah, I am tired.
You are tired?
Yes, sometimes I just want to sit on the sofa and look at the wall. Is that wasting time?
This is a very important question. Resting versus wasting.
What is the difference?
Resting is when you recharge your battery. You sleep, you take a bath, you walk in nature. You feel better after.
Okay, and wasting?
Wasting is when you do things that make you feel empty, like playing a video game for 8 hours. Afterwards, your eyes hurt, you feel guilty.
Ah, I see. So sleeping is good. It's productive. It helps your body.
Yes, never feel guilty for sleeping, but be careful with fake rest.
Fake rest is scrolling on the phone. You think you're relaxing, but your brain is working fast.
Listeners, do you know the difference? Do you rest or do you waste?
Think about last Sunday. Did you feel energetic on Monday or tired?
Okay, Leo, we told the listeners what not to do. Don't scroll, don't wait. But what should they do?
We need solutions. We need strategy.
I have a great tip. It's called the 2-minute rule.
The 2-minute rule? What is that?
It's simple. If a job takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately.
For example?
Washing your coffee cup. It takes 30 seconds. Do it now. Don't put it in the sink for later.
Making your bed.
Yes, it takes 1 minute. Do it now.
Sending a text message?
Do it now. If you do the small things immediately, your brain is free. You don't have a heavy backpack of small tasks.
That's amazing. I have a lot of dirty cups in my room. I should use this rule.
Yes, you should. Listeners, is there a small thing you can do right now?
Look around you. Is there trash on the table? Is there a book on the floor? Pick it up.
Do it now.
I have another tip, Leah. This is for the big things. It's called the to-do list.
Oh, I love lists. I love checking the box. Check. It feels so good.
But be careful. Don't write 20 things. That's impossible.
Correct. Write 3 things. The 3 most important things for today.
Just 3?
Just 3. If you finish them, you had a good day. You were productive.
Okay, my list for today: record this podcast, go to the gym, call my mom.
That is a perfect list. It's realistic.
Listeners, what are your 3 things for today? Think about it.
Maybe listen to English, cook dinner, finish work.
Tell us one thing on your list. Say, today I need to...
Leo, there's one more way we waste time, and it's because of other people.
Other people?
Yes, when people ask you to do things you don't want to do.
Ah, like, Leo, please help me paint my house on Saturday, but I want to rest.
And you say yes because you're nice, but then you were angry all Saturday. You wasted your weekend.
So we need to learn a magic word. The word is no.
No. It's a small word, but very powerful.
Is it rude to say no?
Not if you are polite. You can say, I'm sorry, I can't. I have plans.
You don't need to explain, just I have plans, even if your plan is sleeping.
Your time is your money. If you give it to everyone, you will be poor. You must save some time for yourself.
That's deep, Leah. Your time is your money. I like that. We're coming to the end of our chat, Leah. I feel more organized already.
Me too. Let's review what we learned.
The phone is a thief. Check your screen time. Don't wait. Start now. Resting is good. Wasting is bad.
If you do these things, you will have more time for what you love. You will have more time for English.
Exactly. And listening to this podcast was not wasting time. This was an investment.
Yes, you invested 15 or 20 minutes in your brain. You are smarter now than you were before.
We are very proud of you.
Now we have a challenge for you to do after this podcast.
When the music stops, put your phone down. Set a timer for 15 minutes and do something real.
Read a book, clean your room, talk to your partner. Just 15 minutes of focus.
Can you do that? I think you can.
Thank you for spending your valuable time with us. We appreciate it very much.
Remember to like and subscribe. That's a quick click. It only takes 1 second. See? 2-minute rule.
Smart. Goodbye, everyone. Use your time wisely.
Tick-tock, tick-tock, go. Bye.